Hello viewer, how to fix Instagram video not sent problem or Instagram post sending problem. Open your Instagram app. Tap on profile icon from the right lower corner. Click on three line from the top right corner. Now scroll down and find out help. Go to help. Tap on report a problem. Click on report problem. Now include your screenshot. In this box, write down, "Hi Instagram support team, I cannot send video or post to anyone. Please fix this issue as soon as possible." Then send your report to the Instagram support team. After sending your report, Instagram support team fix your Instagram video not sent problem or Instagram post sending problem.